Welcome to Guangzhou Xinyue Electronic Technology Company Limited. We are a comprehensive enterprise specializing in the research and development and production of communication and electronic repair tools, instruments, meters, and auxiliary materials. Since its establishment, we have always adhered to the enterprise spirit of quality first, integrity driven, customer centric, and innovation focused. Our goal is to provide the highest quality products and services to customers worldwide. Our brands, YAXUN and Micken, are popular in over 90 countries and regions including Europe, North America, South America, Russia, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, thanks to their outstanding quality and innovative design. We are well aware that customer satisfaction is our greatest pursuit. Whether it is the quality of the products or after-sales service, we strive to be the best. At Xinyue, we are not merely production tools. We are also pioneers of continuous innovation. Our R&D team always keeps an eye on market demands and is committed to integrating the latest technologies into our products. In the international market, Xinyue has established a good reputation and brand image. We integrate with outstanding global resources to promote the coordinated development of trade, production, and research and development. We hope to create a brighter future together with you. Choose Xinyue. Choose quality and trust. Thank you for watching. We look forward to cooperating with you.